Shadows off her silhouette against the moonlit sky. Feeling so unsatiated as I taste her sacred wine. Tongue buds making friends with briny brown eyes, pulsating as if one calms my troubled mind. Her hair draped behind her ears, flirtatious little lobes flowing down her back, her neck now left exposed. The contours on her shirt pant a pouty, poignant rose. The corners of our smiles mix, our lips are juxtaposed. I'm buried in her flesh, hiding safely in her hair. My hands behind her neck, her skin is so soft and fair. We drip deep inside her pearly angel thighs. She throbs just like a tremble, an earthquake of my spine. Her head upon my shoulder, our legs are intertwined. We trees, we grow as one, our branches intertwine. Her musty breath tastes like spring orchids and lime, and we harmonize with the wind, rhyming with the sky. A woven cotton avalanche rolling in fresh snow, on a rodeo of pleasure, electrified and aglow. Cuddling in the crevasse, breathing and moving slow, swimming in a creamy stream, it's a waterfall of love. Shadows off her silhouette against the moonlit sky.